Okay, new to the commercial market in the UK. This is the new model Land Cruiser 2025 on a 75 registration Land Cruiser commercial 2.8 litre, finished in Decuma Grey. Very excited to be owning one of these. Extremely hard to get our hands on. Full VAT qualifying, tax efficient commercial vehicle. And new to the UK. So I'll just walk you around this beautiful grey colour. I think personally this is the best colour they offer on these. Got 18-inch dark grey alloy wheels. This is obviously a delivery mileage vehicle. LED headlamps. It's retro boxy styling of the Land Cruiser. They look fantastic. Very nice price point these compared to having an equivalent Defender, let's say. And all the best reliability from Toyota. The leaders in commercial vehicles. So blanked off rear windows, it's got side steps. There's two ways of opening the rear. You've got a little button here which you can press for a little tailgate hatch. And then in the middle, little button there for the power tailgate. So full commercial vehicle, rubber mat in the rear doors there, caged bulkhead. There will be companies out there offering rear seat conversions on these. I've already seen a few online. 3-pin domestic socket. So you would have the ability to transform this into a 5-seat car, which would still remain as an N1 tax efficient commercial vehicle. Power tailgate, that will just close down from the push of the button. This one's available, physical, ready to go. It's covered, I think, 25 miles only. And these windows are simply just blanked over. Panel van. Very nice interior on the new model Land Cruiser. Really up to date. New style steering wheel, digital speedo, lovely big screen up there. Lots of buttons, nice and practical. Got rear diff lock, drive modes, push button start, heated and cooling seats, which is a nice option to have. The air conditioned seats, full black leather, big center console armrest as well. And yeah, it's covered 25 miles only, this one. Power folding mirrors. In the grey, ready to go. I think there's a 2-year wait list, I've been told, for one of these. Extremely rare. Be one of the first to own one. In stock now. Give me a call, 0777 111 2040. Full details online, www.ma-sv.co.uk. Don't miss out on this one. Thank you for watching.